Sorry guys, I didn't get the earth cooled and dinosaurs wrong, okay? Your circles will not tell you if the muscle is needed. Your circles will not tell you eccentric, concentric. All your circles are there to do is help you to remember the major muscles in each group. And it's also meant to help you not be redundant, because with redundancy comes the chance to make mistakes. I'll give you an example. If we made a list and said trunk flexors, and then trunk extensors, and then right lateral trunk benders, and we wrote all the different muscles that are in those groups, there's nothing wrong with that, but you're going to have a lot of lists that have different muscles in them. Right? So one group might have this muscle with that one, and another list might have this one with this one. It all just gets confusing. Versus the circle that has every muscle just once. And you can see the functions. You can visualize the functions. So that's all it is. It's a teaching tool. It's a tool to help you simplify the functions. But at the end of the day, man, it's really the 310 material to why we need this particular group of muscles. And then once you identify which group you need, then the circles or the lists, I don't care, you can do lists if you want, don't care, I want right answers. Once you identify the group that you need to do a job, then the techniques to remember who's all in that group come into play. Okay? So, let's do some practice examples. I would like, and again guys, help me help you. I think this is a good tool. I've gotten some good feedback with previous classes. So if you could get into small groups, I'd say no more than 4 or 5, because when you get bigger than that, right, just kind of apathy, it's kind of, so small groups with at least one person in your group willing to get on the floor and do some ab exercises that we come up with, okay? All right? Ready? Great. Get up and move around. Look, we got plenty of space over here. Here is your first question, if it comes up. I'll try again. Ready, go. Yeah. Okay, guys. We're going to have to be very clear on the question itself, okay? So in other words, I'm not just going to say go to town. Not that you wouldn't all get right answers, but we need to sync. We need to sync the right answers. We need to make sure we're all talking about the same start, finish kind of stuff, okay? So the first thing we're going to infer is that when she does these windshield wiper exercises, the rain's not coming down very hard. You don't have to go fast. So slow and controlled. She's going to bring her feet. Now I'm going to use global terms because I want you to figure out local terms. She's going to start with her feet to the left side, okay? She's going to bring her feet up, and then she's going to tip the scale over to the right side. At no time does she actually rest her feet on the ground. We're going to infer that there is something that's being recruited to do a job at all times, okay? Start with her feet on the left. She's going to slowly bring them up. Keep going. Slow down on the right. Speed up to the left. Bring them up. Keep going. Now, specifically, what I'm looking for is the actual innervation of the muscles, the specific muscles that she's going to make a phone call to bring her feet up, to lower her feet down, to bring her feet up, and to lower her feet down. who's she going to call? So you got to figure out why she needs certain muscles, and then once you identify the who she needs in terms of the groups, like we did in 310, then you can delve a little deeper and say, who are those muscles? Okay? And then what we'll do is, once you guys kind of have a handle on what you think's your final answer, then we'll talk about it. And I'll teach you some different strategies that may or may not work for you, but there's some different techniques, and then hopefully you find a technique that works for you, and you're going to be confident to get right answers when I ask this on the test, okay? Ready? Go. I want to see some wiping. Let's get some wiping going.
Hey guys, are any of you on the witness protection program? Okay. I just want to show just kind of what. Go ahead. That's a good point. But I just want to give an example for people at home, kind of what y'all are doing. So that's the question right there. All right. And I'm asking you to kind of. So again, your body knows who to call. I just need to get your mind to explain what your body already knows.